Hey there, it's George Kindler with the Newcastle Group, brokered by Worth Clark Realty, and I have a new listing that I want to show you. I'm out in Ballwin, right off of Sulphur Spring Road and Manchester Road, right off of 141. Now, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's 1,000 square feet. It's a great fit for a first-time home buyer. So let's go check this out. Maybe it's your Newcastle. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, if you'd like to schedule a private tour, feel free to reach out to me, 314-435-1087. Thank you and have an awesome day.